Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss grade 8 mathematics third term test paper for the upcoming term test. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. First question, general term of a number pattern is 4n. What is the 15th term of the number pattern? By the general term. We can find any term by substituting for n here. So to find the nth term, we have to substitute 15 for 4n. 4 multiplied by 15, 60. The value of 15th term is 60. Second question. Place a tick in front of the correct statements and place a cross in front of the incorrect statements about the directed numbers. We are given two statements. First one, multiplying two directed numbers with different signs gives a positive number. Two directed numbers with different signs. So, if you multiply positive directed number with a negative one, you get a negative number as the answer. So this is incorrect. First one incorrect. Then second one, dividing two directed numbers with different signs gives a positive number. That is also incorrect. We get a negative number as the answer. Wrong. Then third question. Find the value of x. Here all the angles x, 90 and 60 are located on a straight line. We know that the sum of the angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So I can write x plus 90 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. Then x plus 150 equals 150 equals 180. X can be found by 180 minus 150. 30 degrees is the answer. Question number 4. Solve x over 3 minus 1 equals 5. X over 3 minus 1 equals 5. First we can remove this minus 1. For that we have to add 1 to both sides. 5 plus 1. Then minus 1 and plus 1 can be removed. X over 3 equals 6. Now we have to remove this division by 3. For that we have to multiply both sides by 3. 3 and 3 can be removed. Then x equals 6 times 3 is 18. Question number 5. Find the value of minus 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2. If I expand this, minus 2 is multiplied 3 times. Then this one, 2 is multiplied 2 times. Then what is the answer of these three? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Then multiplication of 3 negative numbers becomes a negative number. Minus 8 is the answer. Then 2 times 2 is 4. So what is the multiplication now? 8 times 4, 32. Then minus 32 is the answer. Then question number 6. What is the order of rotational symmetry of a rhombus? That is 2. If you memorize the facts of rotational symmetry, if you take equilateral triangle, number of symmetrical axes 3, then order of rotational symmetry is also 3. Then in a parallelogram, no axis of symmetry. Then the order of rotational symmetry 2. Then in a rhombus, axis of symmetry 2, order of rotational symmetry 2. Rectangle 2, 2. In a square 4, 4. In a regular pentagon 5, 5. In a regular hexagon 6, 6. Then in a regular octagon 8, 8. These are the facts. Then question number 7. Underline the answer with 5 platonic solids. In the first answer, we have a cuboid. That is not a platonic solid. In second one, we have a cuboid. In that also, that is not a regular polygon. That is not a platonic solid. Then in 4 also, we have a cuboid. So 3 is the answer. The platonic solids are cube, regular tetrahedron, regular octahedron, regular icosahedron and regular dodecahedron. Then question number 8. Find the value of x and y. First we can find the value of x. These two are supplementary adjacent angles. X plus 140 equals 180. Then x equals 180 minus 140. That is 40 degrees. We can find y by using the sum of interior angles of a triangle. So y plus, we can write y plus, then x is 40, the other angle is 50, then the addition is 90. Sum is equal to 180. Then x equals 180 minus 90, that is also 90. Question number 9. Simplify 12 tons divided by 5. Write the answer in kilograms. 1 kilogram equal to 1 ton equal to 1000 kilograms. So if you convert 12 tons to kilograms, you get 12,000. 12,000 kilograms divided by 5. Then what is the answer? 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 2 is remaining for 25 times 4. Then 0, 0. This is the answer in kilograms. Question number 10. We are given this to simplify. 2 over 7 multiplying by 3 over 4. We can simplify the common factors here. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 7 times 2 is 14. 3 over 14 is the answer. Question number 11. Represent 48 to 36 in the simplest form. To take the simplest form, we have to divide both terms by the highest number that both terms can be divisible by. These two are multiples of 12. So we can divide by 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 4, 4, 2, 3. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Question number 12. The capacity of a water tank is 2500 liters. If the length is 2.5 meters and breadth is 1 meters, find the height of the tank. We know that 1 cubic meter equals 1000 liters. So if we want to convert liters into cubic meters, we have to divide by 1000. Then this 2500 liters is equal to 2.5 cubic meters. Then in another way, we can find the volume by multiplying length, breadth and height. Then if I take the height as h, then I can write 2.5 into 1 into h equals 2.5. This is the volume of the water tank. So h 2.5 and 2.5 can be cut off. Then h equals 1 meter. Then question number 13. Find the value taken for x to get equal value for mode and median in the set of data. This is the data set given. There are four numbers including x here. We want a value for x. Here two x's, two ones are there, two twos and two threes. So if we take x equals 1, then it's not suitable for the median. Then if we take the data set in ascending order, I can write like this: 1, 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Then if I get x equals as 3, then I can arrange the data set like this. We can write it in the middle of the data set. So it becomes the median. So the value of x equal to 3 here. Then it's also the mode of the data set, as it is the most occurring value. Question number 14. Sri Lanka is in the plus 5.5 time zone when the time in Malaysia is 14 hours 30 minutes. Find the time in Sri Lanka. Malaysia is in plus 8 time zone. If I use a small diagram for this, this is Sri Lanka plus 5.5. Then Malaysia is here plus 8. Then the time in Malaysia is 14 hours 30 minutes. Then what is the time difference between the two countries now? 2.5. The difference is 2 hours 30 minutes. So to find the time in Sri Lanka, we have to subtract 2.5 hours from this time in Malaysia now. We can do like this: 14 hours 30 minutes, then minus 2 hours 30 minutes. Then 0, 14 minus 2 is 12. Then the time is 12 hours. We can write this in standard form like this. Question number 15. Which of the following is not the units place of a perfect square? The digits that can be in the units place of a perfect square are 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. So the number 2 is the answer for this. For this question, 2 cannot be a digit in the units place of a perfect square. So answer is second one. Question number 16. Name the segment and the sector of the circle of center O. They are given as first one and second one. In the first one, the area is bounded by a cone and an arc of a circle. That is called segment of a circle. Then in the second one, the region is bounded by two radii and an arc of a circle. That is the sector of a circle. Question number 18. Represent x greater than or equals minus 1 on the number line given. Let's draw the number line first. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, enough. Then here the minus 1 is the number given. So we have to circle minus 1 like this. Then we have to shade inside the circle as we have a similarity here. Then greater than. Then on the right hand side of the number line, we have to shade like this. Right hand side of -1. Question number 19. There are 5 white beads, 3 blue beads and 2 red beads in a bag, which are identical in size and shape. A bead is drawn randomly from the bag. First part, find the probability of drawing a blue bead. There are 3 blue beads. Out of, what is the total amount? 5 plus 3 plus 2. 10. So this is the probability of drawing a blue bead. Then second part, find the probability of drawing a white or red bead. Altogether, there are 5 plus 2. The total number of white and red beads are 7. So the probability is 7 over 10. Question number 20. Remove the brackets and simplify. 3 times 5x minus 1 minus 8x. We have to remove the bracket here. 3 times 5x. The terms inside the bracket should be multiplied by the term outside the bracket. The number outside the bracket. So 3 times 5x is 15x. Then 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 8x. Then we can simplify the like terms. 15x minus 8x is 7x. 7x minus 3. That is the last answer.